follow the signs. Yes. Next stop is from domestic to international transfer. Exit and go upstairs. For my next flight to Kolkata, Malaysia. All right. So okay. Here is the signage for transfers and exit. Just follow the signs. Alright. International transfers. Keep the left. Alright. Here comes the main signage here. Transfers. This is the main escalator to the transfer area. Here is the left part is for domestic transfers and the right part is for international transfers. Just follow the signages and go accordingly. Go out then. Just follow the signages. And this is International Airport, Kolkata, CCU. And we're heading towards the transfer area, both domestic and international. Right then. All right. Just security check for entry. Show your passport, ticket, visa, anything asked by the staffs.